Hi everybody and welcome to this tutorial to unlock the speed limit of your Xiaomi m365 or m365 Pro. First of all, you have to know that it works with all versions, including the latest. So 1.5.6 for the classic m365 and 1.7.1 for the m365 Pro. Secondly, be sure to check the local laws of your country. Many countries are allowing 25 km/h only, so don't make a mistake by going too fast on your scooter. And finally, I cannot be held as responsible if you have any problem during or after this procedure of unlocking the speed limit of your Xiaomi m365. If you have a problem, I'd be glad to help you in the comment section, but I cannot be held as responsible. That being said, let's get started. This procedure only works with an Android device or a smartphone like this or a tablet. Unfortunately, it doesn't work with iOS devices. You absolutely need an Android device. A lot of old tutorials were using this app, M365 Down G, to unlock the full speed of your Xiaomi M365 or M365 Pro. But there is a newer app that is much better. So we're going to use it. You just need to go to the Play Store, you search M365 and you have to download this app, Shell Flasher for M365 or Pro. You just install it. When it's done, you can simply launch the app. It'll ask for a few things, just say yes for everything. Then we have to turn on our scooter and search for it. You will see it, select it, there's a small disclaimer, you say I agree, and you can see a few things, your mileage, the temperature of your vehicle and things like that. If you want to install a custom firmware, you just need to select CFW Full Speed More Power. You select it, you see it's selected file, and you click on Flash Selected Zip File. It asks if you want to contribute. You can, it's a good thing to contribute, but in this case we are not going to contribute. And the flash starts. When it's done, you just have to reboot your scooter, like this. You can connect it again, and you see that we are unlocked. We now have a 30 km speed limit on your Xiaomi M365 or 35 km/h on your Xiaomi M365 Pro, and you have more power, more torque. That's as easy as it is. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next video.